Hello and welcome back. Today I'm filming a softish pink look with loose pigment. I'm starting out by priming my eyelids with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud. Starting out with the Natasha Denona 5 Pan Peak palette, I'm using Amhara through the crease. I wasn't sure what to film today, so I rummaged through my loose pigments and picked a pink one for the lid shade. I also have a few others, like 2 blues and a darker shade. Let me know if you want to see any of those. One that's more periwinkle has flakes of iridescent glitter. Using the shade Ya on the brow bone and lid to blend the edges and to set the lid so it doesn't crease. Blending the edges with a skin tone shade is such a game changer in getting the most blended eye look. Adding some outer corner depth with the shade Thorn. The depth in the outer corner will help whatever you put on the lid to pop more, especially if it's a metallic lid shade. I'm applying the NYX Glitter Glue as a sticky base, using the M Princess Cosmetics loose pigment in Pretty Petal all over the lid. It's a pretty soft pink with a golden shine to it. Using a tacky base under any metallic or loose pigment is really going to make them stand out. Loose pigments are so easy to work with, I always forget that. Look how pretty this pigment is. Priming my face with the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer in the Hydrating formula. Concealing my under eyes and breakouts with a mix of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud and the e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo concealer in Light Ivory. My dark circles have been on another level this month. I need them to just stop. For my base, I'm using a mix of the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in Shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in 110 Ivory. I like just enough coverage to even out my skin tone and hide any breakouts or discoloration. Pressing in the Coty Air Spun setting powder under my eyes and where I get oily. Dusting the rest of my face lightly to set the cream products. Using the bronzer from the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite face palette to warm up my face and to add back some depth. Adding a coral blush from the Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio in shade ISLA. I swear my blush never shows up on camera like it does in person. Highlighting with the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite face palette. If your highlight isn't popping like you want, apply it after you use setting spray, when it's just dried. Framing the bottom lash line with the shade Amhara. Applying glitter glue to the inner, third and inner corner. Topping that glitter glue with the Pretty Petal loose pigment. melting down the powders with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. Lightly filling in the brows with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. I've never liked how really bold brows look on my face. Setting my brows in place with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift Gel. This is when I manipulate my brow hairs to make them look a little fuller, rather than with a brow pencil or powder. Lining and tight-lining my eyes with the Tristique eyeliner in Santorini Black Sand. Using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara in black. I have some beef with this mascara. It clumps my lashes and does nothing for them. They look short and clumpy. Also, I washed my eyes twice and still can't get it all off. I don't know if I got a bad batch, but I've never had this issue with waterproof mascara. For lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline Color Sensational Lipstick in Romantic Rose and the Makeup Revolution x Fortnite Cuddle Team Leader Gloss. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.